So hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I will say you that I will tell you and give a tutorial of how to install dual horns in Hero Optima. So let's get started. So first of all, what you will need to do is you will need to open these two screws. Wait a minute. You will need to open these two screws, and then what you need to do is just open this panel like this. Just bang on it. Sorry, you need to bang on the two sides. It is little bit old, that's why it has came out really simply. So I will tell you that which kind of setup I have put in, but you can put another setup also with relay. I haven't used a relay on this because I was not having it, that's why I am not interested to put a relay on it. But still I will tell you that if you want, then you can put the relay. So you all can see the horn setup. So this one is the older horn of this scooter only. This one got little bit of damage, that's why I have replaced it with this. Then after that I thought that this horn is little bit working, and if you are having an old horn and you are wanting to get two horns, then you can obviously do that. You can use the cheaper ones also, and which horn you are having from the company, you can use that also. So if you will use a cheap horn, then the horns starts from 160 to they go till 400 or 500. It depends on you, on the quality which you choose. So let me tell it to you. So this horn is little bit older, and it is shut down from 7 months or 8 months, I think so. Before I have put in this, I mean in the on the scooter. And this horn, you can see this I have purchased it from the company, I mean the service center. They have costed me approximately 200 bucks for this. And this one, I don't know what is the cost of it. If you all know the cost of it, then you can obviously tell me. And I don't know the company of them, but this horn looks like of Unominda. I'm not sure at all for with us. But now let's get started with the video. So first of all, this is a small horn and this is a big horn. That is not a problem. If you are having two big horns also, then also you can do this. So what you need to do is, first of all, you can see these two couplers. So you need to buy couplers like this. So that is not that much mandatory. And you can see like I have taped it. So I will show it to you. Wait a minute, it is taped really properly. Like this coupler you will be needing, which comes with the horn. It's really simple. Wait, let me off it. I mean the ignition, because if I want, then wait a minute. You can hear the sound. It's really hard and high. So I really liked it. But I would prefer you that if you are using a small horn, then you will only get the sound, not that much of bass, frankly speaking. But still you need to know that this horn is little bit damaged up. So I will show you the sound of it. Wait a minute. This is the sound of the single horn which came from the company, and then I have changed it to this. Means this was also better than this when it was working properly, but when these two are matched, then what kind of sound comes? Wait a minute. What happened? I think I didn't have put it properly. So it is really loud for me. In this room it is obviously loud, but in the road it is kind of okay than before. And if you will hear it from outside, then it is really bassy for these horns. But I won't prefer you that use these horns. You can use approximately which wood you have, or you can eventually put one more horn also. So let's get started. I have said started before also, but still now I will say you the wiring of it. So first of all, you can see two wires coming from the horn. So these two wires, you need to check them and you need to put a cut on them. If you don't want to put a cut, then what you can do, you can go till the coupler and just add the two wires on the coupler, on the horns coupler. Means wires are going on a coupler. If you can find that coupler, then just find it and go to that coupler and put two wires from there. I have not done that. I have just taken out these two couplers from here and I have just put in a cut. Wait, let me show you. Put in a cut over here. This black wire is of it only, and wait, this black wire was changed, that's why it is looking black. Otherwise the whole wire comes in green and white color, and I have just attached it with a red color wire. You will just need to attach a more wire with this one, means you will just need to connect one more wire with this coupler and then just give it on the horn, and then you need to do the same thing with the second coupler also. You will just need to take the wire with the another wire, means you will just need to attach one more wire to this coupler. You just need to attach it and then just attach it on over here. I am not having the couplers, that's why I have taped the wires over here. But if you are not using it and you are not taping it properly, then sparkles can come over from there, means electric short you can also see over there. But I would say that use couplers because it is a more safer way. Let me check that it is giving fire shots or not. No, because I have done the proper taping of it, that's why. But still you can see little bit of tape is cutting over there. So I will prefer you that use this kind of couplers which are rubberized and metal piece comes inside. It is not that much costly. It could maximally cost till 50 bucks. So I would say you that please use this, and if you can't, then you need to do proper taping of it. So let me tell it again to you all. So you will just need to take out these two couplers and add wait, let me show you. You can see this hole, you can add the wires on the hole also, and then just wait a minute, let me close it. Oh shit, too much of taping I have done over here. Oh shit, man. Yes, now it is. So you will need to take from here to here, means one more horn. If you will, means you will use the second horn, you need to just put the wire on the second horn, means you will need two extra wires and the two extra wires will connect on these two, means you will need to connect on these two couplers, and after that just connect it to the second horn. And how you can fit it, you can fit it in this nut also, because from the company the horn comes in this nut. You can fix the both horns in the in this bolt, but I would say you that please don't put the two horns on this bolt, because little bit of vibration the horns create. Let me show it to you. You can see the vibration. So that's why I have just wait a minute, just put it on the second bolt, and this comes from the company, these two bolts. You can put it over here and tight it properly, then it won't vibrate. But if you can put it over here, then also it is not a problem, it will just vibrate a little bit, nothing else. So guys, this was all for today's video. So bye guys, I will see you on the next video, and tell me on the comment section that how was the video. And this is all. And if you have not understood how I have said, then I will say it in the description on the comment section, sorry, on the description. You can check over there and just understand what kind of wiring it is. I've said you, still one more time I will say that these two couplers, you just need to add two wires to these couplers and just add it to the second horn, that's it. And if you wanna add a relay, then you could add it, but I don't know the wiring of the relay. But there are a lot of videos in YouTube there, you can check that also. So bye guys, I will see you on the next video. Bye.